Chris, not always something that a parent wants to hear, but I want to play the drums, so they're banished to the garage. But when they do say that, the place to come, of course, is your shop here at KSM, because as we can see, you have so many different kinds of drums.
Yeah, we try to cover it all. So even if you're like, I can't handle the noise, we got some stuff you can plug in and use headphones with.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah, right? So, or we got to just full on let them loose and use a huge full set acoustic drum set with cymbals and the whole bit, double kick drum, the whole thing. So
wow.
If you do hand drums, things like that, we cover all the areas.
You do have a lot. What do drum kits typically start out at?
They're about $500 for a drum kit to kind of get going on an acoustic drum set, as well as an electric one. So it comes with cymbals and everything you need to get started with. And then after that, we have all the accessories to go individually with it to add on to that kit to make it awesome.
Right.
And then, of course, we have ones above that. So
the really expensive ones.
Yeah.
But, you know, everybody's got to start somewhere, right? So it's a great... Now, if they want to just have a go, can they come into the shop and sort of have a bang around on these things?
Yeah, they can.
Yeah.
We have the electric drums kits hooked up all the time, so people can just put headphones on and play on them and, like, get a good feel for things,
right.
As well as play the acoustic set to see if that's something you want to play on.
Yeah.
And that's what we do with all the instruments. We have them here to play, so people can test them out and see if that's what they want to get into, because you kind of got to see it and feel it to know that you'll love it. Yeah.
Do you have teachers to teach the whole process too?
We do, yeah. We've got, 2 drum teachers right now, and they teach everything from beginning percussion to advanced percussion, so they can do anywhere in between too.
Okay, so no longer do you have to actually banish your children to the garage or some field out in the North 40. You can plug in, there'll be no sound.
Yes, you can do that with the electric set. Plug it in, just headphones, and they can go at it, yeah.
Okay, so if your child, or yourself for that matter, is thinking that you need a nice new set of drums, come on down to KSM. Chris, tell us where we are and how people can find you.
Yeah, 50 West, 400 North, and you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram and all that fun stuff, but come on down to the store and check it out.
That's what you should do. Come on in and see Chris. Thanks, Chris.
Thanks.